Hey guys, this is Baycratic, just telling you to subscribe to the Epic Blader TV because he's a really good channel and he makes great content. Okay, now to the video. Okay, today's the LR string launcher unboxing. And I was pretty excited for this because my old string launcher, here it is, but it broke, sadly. But yeah, so let's tear this open. Wow. Well, they look pretty beat up, but oh wow. What I got here, they are. So first off, I'll unbox the LR string launcher. Okay, here it is. It's really chunky and bulky, but I really like it. I'll put that right there. Here's the warning saying that you should pull it straight out and not up or down. But yeah, I think everybody should know that by now. And then here's the instructions, which I don't need because it's a string launcher. It's pretty self-explanatory. But here it is. It's in right spin right now. And here, let me get this. This is the LR light launcher, and here's the side-by-side. The tabs on this one are thicker because the other ones would just like break and stuff, and the bay would fall off before you could launch it because of how thin they were. But yeah, this one, they made it thicker so it would fit. And yeah, and how you change the gimmick, the spin rotation, whatever. So it's in right now, but you take this, you pull it up, you switch it, and it says left, so you know it's up all the way. And then you push it. Yeah, and then you push it back down. And now it's in left rotation. But it's pretty cool. And let's count how many rotations it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like 7.5. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this. And now I'll get the launcher grip out. Here it is. It feels pretty good as a grip, but I imagine it'd be a little bigger in real life, but you know, because I kind of have big hands. But yeah, it still feels pretty nice. I might get like a grip rubber or something, but yeah, it feels pretty good. And then I guess I can put it in. Let's see. Pretty tough to get in. There. Yeah, it's a pretty good launcher setup. I plan on getting the Beylauncher Plus soon, so then my setup will be complete. But yeah, it feels pretty good, and it's pretty heavy too. But yeah, now, oh yeah, and real quick, I'll show you that this part right here, it works for the Legend Spriggan spin direction. So, and yeah, it works. But anyways, I'll be right back with the test launch. Okay, I have my stadium out, and we're gonna do a test launch. This is right spin, and I'll be testing it with Legend Spriggan 7 merge. So yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, okay. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. It was crazy. We'll try that again. 2, 1, ghost. Whoa. Feels really powerful. Definitely probably one of my favorite launchers so far. But it's weird that Legend Spriggan didn't go around crazily. Let me try that again. 2 on go. Whatever. It's gonna take a lot of time getting used to, cause there's like a lot more resistance than with the normal string launcher. But yeah, it's pretty good. I can't wait to record some battles now that I have a good launcher. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.